Hey, do you know there is an island called Okinawa in Japan with most centenarians in the world? Centenarians means people with age of more than 100 years. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will summarize the book called Ikigai, the Japanese secret of long and happy life. Ikigai is a Japanese term which means your reason for being or purpose of your life. Let's try to understand this with a diagram. What you love and what you are good at makes your passion. What you are good at and what you can be paid for makes your profession. What you can be paid for and what the world needs makes your vocation. What the world needs and what you love makes your mission. And combining all these four components, passion, profession, vocation and mission, makes your Ikigai. Japanese believe our Ikigai is hidden deep within us, and with patience we can find it. It is the reason we get up in the morning. It can be as small as taking out the weed from your kitchen garden or can be as big as saving the world like Avengers. The mission is only to find your Ikigai, your existential fuel. One famous quip by Einstein goes as, put your hand on a hot stove for a minute and it seems like an hour. Sit with a pretty girl for an hour and it seems like a minute. That is relativity. This is true. Reading a book literally stops the clock, but while playing video game, time flies. Author describes this passing of time quickly as state of flow. The state in which people are so involved in an activity that nothing else seems to matter. There are mainly three strategies to attain this state of flow. Strategy 1. Choose a difficult task, but not too difficult. Our mind likes challenges. This is the reason why we get bored doing easy tasks. But choosing very difficult tasks will lead to giving up quickly. Trick is to do something slightly outside our comfort zone. Strategy 2. Have a clear, concrete objective. Setting a clear objective helps us visualize all the steps necessary for achieving it. Having a clear objective is important in achieving flow, but we also have to know how to leave it behind when we get down to business. Once the journey begins, we should keep this objective in mind without obsessing over it. Strategy 3. Concentrate on single task. This happens to all of us sometime when we put on a movie with dinner and don't realize how delicious the food was until we are taking the last bite. We often consider combining tasks will save us time, but on the contrary, it reduces our productivity. Concentrating on one thing at a time may be the single most important factor in achieving flow. Flow is like a muscle. The more you train it, the more you will flow. One such training is through meditation. The diet for long life. People of Okinawa eat high natural antioxidant rich diets such as tofu, carrots, tuna, etc. They also consume green tea or white tea every day. There is a concept in Japan as hara hachibu, which means only to eat 80% of your capacity. Exercise is also a factor for long life, but the key is to keep body active. High intensity exercise is not mandatory. Low intensity exercise such as yoga, radio taiso, tai chi, etc. can be equally beneficial. As the legend goes, the first time Hercules faced the Hydra, he discovered that cutting off one of its head meant that two more will grow. The thing that gets stronger when harmed are called anti-fragile. So guys, this was the summary of the book Ikigai. Be anti-fragile and find your Ikigai. Thanks for watching.